Welcome. In this short lesson, we will implement a small C# utility that removes the first and last characters from a string when appropriate. This is a great beginner exercise to practice string indexing and defensive checks. We'll keep the program robust so as to handle empty strings and short strings, show clear examples, and explain why we chose the approach we do. Let's jump into the problem. The task is straightforward, but teaches useful defensive programming. Always consider edge cases such as very short strings or empty input. We'll implement a small helper method that encapsulates the logic, then call it with sample inputs from main. This keeps the core logic reusable for tests or other usages. This is the complete copy-ready program. Notice the defensive string is null or empty. Check to avoid exceptions. For short strings with length less than or equal to 2, we return the string unchanged. That matches the sample expectation. For longer strings, we call substring 1 as length minus 2, which creates new trim string. The helper remove first last keeps the logic testable and reusable. The routine is intentionally tiny and clear. We validate the input first, so the rest of the function can assume a non-null string. The length guard ensures we do not attempt an invalid substring. This pattern, validate early, then do the simple transformation, keeps the code safe and easy to reason about. These cases show why the length checks matter. For single character inputs or empty input, we do nothing, avoiding surprises. For normal strings, we remove the edges as required. Although simple, this function has practical uses: cleaning tokens, removing framing characters, or building robust text processing pipelines. It's also a friendly teaching example to introduce defensive checks and substring operations in C#. To recap, the helper is short, clear, and safe. Encapsulating the behavior in a method makes it easy to test and reuse. You can drop this into a utilities class or call it directly from a small console, demos, or unit tests. Thanks, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.